How we doing, folks? Jeff here from Frank's Great Outdoors. Just want to do a little video here before the opener this weekend. We have great product here, Spike It. It's to customize these soft plastics, the forktails that we sell here. We can do something like this, a couple simple dots, and it's super easy. Basically all that you're looking at doing is basically dipping here, shake it off, put one little dot, and you're good to go. Dries in a couple seconds. If you are out on the boat and you want to customize something right away, they do sell a pen. Easy to transport, simple. Take the cap off, mark it up, you're ready to go. We do have a ton of different colors of these forktails in stock right now. We just got a new shipment in the other day. I think there's around 23, 24 different colors. Plus, along with that, we have another different minnow style bait that we are going to offer. Stop in today. We can if you come in, we can show you how to use these Spike It products. Super simple, just takes a second. Stop in and see us.